Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make creamy hot sauce. Gather ingredients and tools: peppers, cream, vinegar, oil, blender, saucepan, and measuring spoons to start. Heat oil, sauté aromatics, then add peppers and deglaze with vinegar. Blend with cream and salt until smooth. Adjust heat and thickness with more peppers or cream. Taste and season, then simmer briefly to meld flavors. Cool, bottle, and properly label for storage. Control heat by removing seeds and membranes from peppers before chopping. Roasting develops deeper flavor, while quick sauté keeps bright heat. Use low to medium heat when reducing liquids to avoid bitterness. Emulsify with a blender or immersion blender for a silky texture. If sauce is too thin, simmer gently to thicken. Add xanthan or cornstarch slurry for stability. Taste as you go and carefully balance acid, salt, and sweet. Experiment with different creamy bases like yogurt, mayo, creme fraiche, or coconut milk to vary tang and richness. For smoky notes, add chipotle or smoked paprika. For brightness, stir in lime zest or vinegar. Mix in roasted garlic or herbs for complexity. Adjust sweetness with honey or maple and balance heat with dairy or vinegar. Serve alongside tacos, grilled veggies, or as a dip for fries, wings, and salads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.